how to add a new item to a Python list without creating new list? The answer is append method, right? Guys, आज हम जो है वो सीखने वाले append method, right? लिस्ट में कैसे काम करता है, right? So let's start. What is append in the Python list, right? A built-in method that adds one new element to the end of existing list, right? That is called append method in Python, right? This is the syntax of append method, right? So this is the list name, right? This is the list name, right? Then after we will use the operator, right? Because it is method, right? Then after we will write the built-in method append, built-in keyword append, right? This is the append. Then after we will write the item we want to add in the end of the list, right? Also I have a add the new point. Always adds a single item to the end of the list, right? So now we have a different, I have applied append in different data types, right? So first of all, we will discuss the integer list, right? Then after we will discuss float list, boolean list, right? List inside list, right? Then after in the end, I have given the exercise, right? You will solve yourself, right? Now, uh, now this is the list of numbers, right? In which we have stored 5 elements, 5 numbers, right? So now I want to uh, add the element in the end of the list. Then I will write first of all the name of list, right? Then after I will write the append method. Then after I will write the name of item I want to add in the end of the list. Write the 6, right? Now I will print that output on the screen. You will get what? The output. This is the right. So now you can solve different examples with the append method, right? So now we have a float list in which we will add a single element which must be float, right? Now I will write the prices, right? Then after I will use the append, right? Then after I will use the 7.5 float, right? Now I will print on the screen. Now I will run this program and you will get the answer, right? 2.3, 4.5, 6.5, 7.5. This is example of append, right? Now we have a boolean list, right? In which we will add the boolean value, right? Then after I will write the boolean list. उसके बाद I will write the append. Then after I will write the false, right? So I want to print. Now I will run this program. Will get right. Now we have a list, right? I will add list inside list, right? And very simple list in. And after I will use the append method, right? Then after I will write the list 6. Now I will print the list. Now I will run this program. You will get the nested list, right? In the end, we have a 4 examples, right? String add करना है, right? List create करनी है tuple की, right? में हम tuple elements list में कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं, डिक्शनरी कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं, नन कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं, स्ट्रिंग कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं, right? Do every example by yourself, right? If you're new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. The next lecture we will study about insert method, right?